Electrical circuit analysis. B and B students. In this video, we see frequency resonance, series or also series circuit problem. And welcomes you all. I already explained previous classes. AC circuit, frequency response of RLC series circuit, resistance index and capacitance series, and VFT series. IFT is current, V is IZ. I omega is 1 divided by R square plus omega L minus 1 by omega C square bracket square and whole power of. We derived the formula in previous classes. Kindly see previous classes. Z is R plus J bracket of omega L minus 1 by omega C. F equal to FL. Maximum value of FL, that is voltage across inductance across when at a frequency of F is FL. 1 divided by 2 pi bracket of LC minus R square C square divided by 2 bracket power 0.5. That is formula we derived previous classes. F is FC is equal to 1 by 2 pi bracket of 1 by LC minus R square divided by 2 L square bracket per 0.5. That formula is used. I given that formula is used in this problem. Questions problem. Derive the expression for frequency of RLC series circuits to have maximum voltage across inductance. In a RLC series circuit has R is equal to 20 ohm and L is 0.005 henries and C is 0.210 micro minus 6 farad. It is fed from 100 volts variable frequency source. Find A, frequency at which the I is maximum. B, is it at this frequency. C, V across inductance has this frequency. D, maximum value of voltage across inductance and the frequency at which this occurs. C, E patch, maximum value of voltage across capacitance and the frequency at which this occurs. That is RLC series circuits problem. Formula we already known. A is A patch. Question is frequency at which I is maximum. Frequency is 500. F naught is 1 divided by 2 pi root of LC. Put record values. We find that F naught is 532 Hz. That is answer for A patch. B is Z is equal to R. B asks question, is it at this frequency? Is it at this frequency is or is 20 ohm? That is answer. C part. We already did it in previous classes. We know the formula of C part. V across inductance is FL is 1 divided by 2 pi bracket of LC minus R square C square divided by 2 bracket of 0.5. Put record values. We find out FL is 5053.16 Hz. That is equal to the F value. D part. Maximum value of voltage across inductance at the frequency at which this occurs. Impedance at this frequency is 5053.16. R is 20. Put impedance formula as Z is R plus J into omega L minus 1 by omega C. Put value. F is 5053.16. L is 0.005. F is 5053.16. C is given 0.2 microfarad. Put record values. We find impedance value 20 plus J 1.27. That is VL is JXL. That is VL formula. We already know. XL is obtained from R plus JXL. I is V divided by Z. 100 divided by 20 plus J 1.2 into JXL. J into 2 pi. Yeah. FL is put 5053.1. That is maximum value. Into inductance value. 2 pi FL. Using that formula, VL is find out. FC is already find out. SL value is find out. And VC value find out. That is answer for also RLC series circuit, series resonance and frequency response. Man, answer and thank you. That is Anna University syllabus.